everyone, welcome to Capillo School. Today we'll be learning how to make beautiful butterflies.
So first we will take any one color paper. Okay, any one paper you want, you can take. So I'm going to take my pink color. Okay, rest all we can keep it aside. All thermocol, tape, everything we can keep aside. Okay, I'm just keeping it. Okay. So one color paper, everybody taken? Okay, now let's start. Yeah. So first thing, fold the sheet into half. Okay. Just fold the paper into half. Like that. Fold the paper into half. Easy. First step. So now make a square in a half folded sheet. Like take one paper from here and make it a triangle. Make sure that when you fold it like that backward, the tip this side is pointed and this side also. And this paper meets the edge. Okay, like that. Make a square. Okay. So you got one square, no? You have to just make two squares with a A4 sheet. That's it. Make two squares with an A4 sheet paper. Alright. So first you fold it into half, correct? Then from the top right corner, okay, from the top right corner, fold it down. Okay, to here, to this edge. So while you fold it, be careful that both your edges are pointed. Okay, once you've done this, turn the paper and do the same this side also. Everybody got this? All right. Once you've done that, this area, no, just open the paper. So this area, right, this part, just cut it out. Okay, just cut out this excessive part using a scissors. All right. Once you cut it, and just cut these triangles also into half like that. You open it, you will be having a line, no? Just cut it away. Okay, just make two squares from an A4 sheet. Or I can make help you with another method also. Just make a square. Okay, I think it would be easier to make it into half, cut the paper into half like that. Just cut the paper, open it. Okay, so everybody who's doing it, you have to do that with all your 4 sheets. Okay, all your 4 sheets. One sheet you have to leave. Okay, leave one paper. So I have left brown sheet. You can leave one sheet, one color sheet. Okay, any color sheet is fine. So I told you to bring 5 sheets, right? Out of 4 sheets, make 2 to A4 sheet, A4 size squares. Okay, so I'm going to do the same with all the 4 sheets. All right. So for people who did not understand, I'm going to show you again. All right. All right, guys. So this is my last paper. So I'm going to explain it one more time. So for those who haven't understood, you can listen. Okay. Okay. So for those who did not understand, take your A4 sheet, fold it into half. Dikshit, very good. Okay, fold it into half. Spurti, very good. Okay. Okay. So once you fold it into half, from your top right, okay, bring it to the side of this. Bring it to this side, okay, to your left side, and just keep it on like this. Keep this edge on this line, okay. So while you're keeping, just make sure that both these edges are pointed, okay. And from this side also, turn the paper, and from this side also you have to do the same. Hi everyone. So I got all my 8 squares ready. Okay. So those are my 8 squares. All right. So we are going to the next step now. Okay. So, okay. So take one square. Okay. Okay. Take one square, all of you. Okay. So fold it into like a triangle, like from your right top, right side top corner to your left side bottom corner. Just fold it and make a triangle. Okay, like that. Easy. From the top right side to your bottom left side corner, just join and make a kind of a triangle. It will become like a triangle. Okay. Everybody done with this step? Easy? Okay. Now what we have to do is just open the square back. Open it. From the top left corner to the bottom right corner, make a triangle again. Open. Okay, did you get 4 lines? All of you got 4 lines? So you got 4 fours like this. Now, this is your square. Okay. Next fold from the top, fold it to the bottom like that into half. From the top, fold it to the bottom. Okay, and open it. So if you have folded it properly, all these lines will meet at a point in the middle. See your squares? See your squares all meeting in the middle? Very good. So now, okay, this is your line in the middle. Just push it inside and bring both the edges, the right top and the right bottom together like this. Okay. To make the square small, no, just fold. This is your, suppose, consider this is your square. Okay, just fold it into half like this. Okay, and then just you fold it into like that, right? Then just cut any length you want. Like if you want a small square, so very small, you can cut here. If you want a bit more here, you can cut here. Any size, like from here you have to cut. Okay, like that. From your top right, okay, top right corner, meet it at the bottom left corner. Okay, join it like this. Then from, this is what you did, right? Then from your top left corner, bring it to your right bottom corner. Fold it. Once you've got the 4 lines like this diagonally, from the top of the paper, bring it down to the bottom. Just fold it into half like that. Once you've got this is the bottom, middle of the paper, no? Just push it down. Join your right bottom and right top corner like this. So you will get 8 squares like that. Okay, so my 8 are done, but I'll wait for you all some more time. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to the next step. All right, everybody. So take one of this shape. Okay, one of the shape. All right. All right. So now what you have to do is fold these triangles into half. Fold these triangles into half. Like this, no? This is the triangle, no? Just fold it into half. Everybody do it with me. Fold your triangle into half. Okay, Aditi. Okay, fold it in. Once you fold it into half, see. Carefully, everybody look here. Everybody, oh, I need all attentions, okay? Once you fold it into half, no? This side, see, you fold it. How you fold it? You fold it like this, right? So this side, take your pencils or pen or whatever you have and make a curve. So like you cut like in a curve. Okay, see, got a curve to cut in a curve. Okay, so when you open it, you'll get all curves, no? Do the same with all the triangles. This is your triangle. Okay, from there'll be 2 sheets on both sides. One side, lift one and fold it to half like this. And same with the other side. Now you do. Now all of you do that. Okay, for those who have done with this much, we are going to the next step. Okay, everybody listen. Next step very carefully. Everybody look here. Listen, okay? Everybody has to listen. Okay? Turn this upside down. Okay? Now the tip, right? They'll be like this. When you lift up, you will see the folds of the other two, right? Bring this like down. Just this you have to bring down like this much. And understood? Listen very carefully. See, everybody see first and then you do. All right? From the top, bring it to the bottom. See, when I'm bringing it to the bottom, is it on the line? No, right? You have to bring it a bit more down now. Okay? Now everybody see, turn the sheet and fold inside like this. Okay? Sometimes this won't stick, okay? Because you haven't pulled it properly or your square isn't correct. So take your glue. Yes, I will repeat, Manya, no problem. Okay? Take your glue, put little here and just then stick it. Just fold the top wings a bit downer so you get the shape. Yes, Anya, butterflies. Okay. Everybody got? I'm just using a pen to roll the wing a bit downwards, okay? Everybody do the same with all the other sheets. The last A4 sheet that we had, no, the last one, you know what you have to do? Just open it. Like this, the A4 sheet, right? Last A4 sheet, everybody, please listen now. Okay, we're going to the last step. Okay, just take your last sheet. All right, now everybody, please come back. Last sheet. All right, listen very carefully. Everybody, listen very carefully. Okay, this is your last sheet, no? Take your scales, or if you don't have a scale, also it's fine. Just fold it into like, yeah, I got my scale. So this is your sheet, right? Do one thing. Take your midpoint of the A4 sheet from one side. Okay. For me, my middle is minus 22. Okay. All right. Okay. I'll zoom it for you guys. I'm not able to zoom. I don't know why. But anyways, my total length is 22 centimeters. So I'm just marking 11 here. Okay. What I'm going to do is both the sides I will mark the midpoint. Okay. All right. Then what I'm going to do is take my scale, make a line, not on the midpoint. See, this is my midpoint, no? Just keep this very, you should know the midpoint. After that only you have to divide the whole sheet into 3 sides like this. Just simply, or you can do one thing easy as this. Just simply make 3 lines like that. Okay. 1 and 2. I made 3 lines. Okay. Now I'm going to fold it like that on the lines. Both the sides I'm going to fold. Once you guys have done this, open it and fold the whole thing a little from this side. Not too much, just a little. Like that from both the sides. So you will get something like this. There'll be 9 boxes. Okay, different shape, right? These 3 will be same shape. These 2 will be different shape. See guys, you all have 1 box here, right? On all the 4 sides. Since you folded it, right? Take your scissors and cut only one side like this. One side cut. That's it. This side also. One side cut. Here also. One side cut. and here also one side cut. And then just we've done this much. Put glue, stick. Put glue, stick. If you stick correctly, you'll get a box. Everybody got a box? Once you've got the box, I told you to get thermocol balls, right? Just open your thermocol and just put it inside. Okay, everyone. So I think everybody's done with the boxes and put their thermocol balls inside. Everybody done with that? So I think the butterflies of yours would be ready. So I told you to bring wire, right? Remember? I told you to bring wire. Everybody take your wires. Now, some of you might have very thin wires, right? So just fold your wires into two, like that. Okay? Fold it. Those who do not have wire, it's okay. No problem. Okay? I told you to get tape, right? Remember? Use your tape and stick your butterflies over it. Easy procedure only, nothing you have to do. Just take your tape and stick your butterflies. See. Yeah. Which side of the butterfly you have to stick? This is the butterfly, no? This is the head. This is the legs, no? From this side. This is the back side. Keep your wire like that and just stick it. Okay? Easy. This is the wire. Just stick it. Take your next butterfly. Keep it on the wire. If you want, you can tilt the butterfly a bit. Okay? And stick it. Okay? Totally up to you. Take one more butterfly and stick it. Okay? Make sure all the heads are towards the top. Okay? So once you've done it, just fold the butterfly a bit in from the middle so that Okay, no problem. Those who have wires can repeat this. Okay, just keep a little wire on the bottom there. Okay, just let it be there. Take your other wire. I told you to get 2 wires. If 1 wire also you have, it's totally fine. Okay, it's totally fine if you only have 1 wire also. You can stick all the butterflies in 1 wire only. All right. Right. So on your box, you can keep this and shape your butterflies length in the way you want. So at times it won't stick. Okay, the butterflies might be heavier, will be weight, the weight will be heavy or something. So using a tape or glue, you can stick it. So right now, for me, I got flowers. Okay, I got few flowers. So I'm going to place these flowers in there. Okay, like that. And I'm going to use these butterflies like over them. Okay, so like this. And so before I keep them, I'm going to put this tape or something heavy inside it, right? So it doesn't fall, okay?